Welcome back to Crooked Hooking, everybody. I hope you guys are having a wonderful Labor Day. It's a beautiful day to be out on the water, so please get outside. It's too good outside to waste it indoors and watching TV or whatever. Today we're going to be trying a brand new lake. I've only been here once, and the last time it was a rather nasty storm, so I'm really curious to see what's going to happen today. We're going to be starting off the Crooked Hooking crawfish. Now, I've been using the crawfish for a little while on and off camera, and it's the same one. This thing has been taking a beating. So far it's got snakehead on it, multiple bass, and of course a couple of downed trees, so that's nothing to brag about, but still. So just to show you the durability, this thing lasts for a while. This is only one bait, and I'm going on probably about 10 fish now. So usually most people like to change it out once it gets a little bit torn up. I tend to use it until it literally can't go anymore. So with that being said, let's get on the water, let's explore, let's see what we can get on, and have fun. I have an interesting little seat set up today for my kayak. So my seat is like straight up and down, and it's kind of stiff on my back. I've been working on some ideas for better seats for this thing. So far, I'm still exploring. I haven't found much yet. There goes the carp swimming away. I love how clear this lake is. It is so clear. It's really enjoyable to just paddle around. Yeah, the fish as well, but just to see the different, you know, like different life under the water. It's really enjoyable. Oh, there we go. Little bass. Hiding in the brush. Little guy. Little guy hiding in the brush. Nice. Alright, there you go, little guy. Alright, I'm going to try straight in front of me here. What's nice about this crawfish lure is that it has like a topwater presentation, so I can swim in under the water if I wanted to. I could just do straight top water if I wanted to. There's so many different things I can do, and it's a killer. It nails them just about every time. Oh, it's a nice one. I don't know what it is. I think it's a snakehead though. And I'm being... Alright, what is this here? This would be... that was a nice whatever it was. I think, am I still on it? That was a nice blow up. Damn, that was nice. So this is why I'm calling it the Everglades of Delaware. This is what I literally had to paddle through to come over here. Now I'm going to try to do some topwater fishing on this side. Hopefully it does pretty good. It's been really challenging so far. I got a couple of bites on, I got a couple of smaller fish, but nothing giant just yet. But we did almost get that really nice fish when we started off. I don't know what that was, if it was a snakehead or a bass, I have no idea, but it was a huge blow up, and it gave me a lot of life for the day. So here we go. Oh, come on, man. Top water bite. Oh! You bit the claws off. Let's try it without the claws, just in case. Alright, there's something in here. There we go. Now we, freak! Damn! I bit the claws off, but he's going for the top water. There we go, finally. Little guy, but finally. Only took 6 tries. And he ate the claws off. Oh, oh. Ouch. Took a few tries, but we finally got him. He's a little feisty guy. Look what he did. He ate the claws clean off. This little guy. Alright, here you go. They put on another crayfish here. I think there's at least 1 or 2 more in there. There we go. What is this? Oh, that feels good, whatever it is. It's a nicer bass. Alright, nice. Let me get you some slack. There we go. Boom. Alrighty. Now if I can just get the crawfish out of his mouth. Yep. There we go. Hiding in the brush. Look at that. I knew they were in here. Just a matter of time of where they were. Look at that. Nice little fish. And looks like he's already eating something. Alright, let me let him go back in so that way he can eat some more and get bigger. Nice to see you, friend. There he goes. Oh, oh, there we go. Oh, it's just a little guy. Alright, well, a little guy works. The way he swiped at it was like this giant monster. Ah. Look at this little puny guy. He's got some cool color on him now. Alright, we'll go back and grow up. Become bigger. That felt too good to be true. There we go. That one's, ah! Ah! I wonder if that's a snakehead. There we go. There we go. Is this, oh, this feels big. This is probably a snakehead. Or is it? Ooh, okay, there goes the carp. Alright, this one's a little better. A little better. Come here. There we go. On the crawfish. Ba-doop. On the crawfish. There we go. Little guy. He's got a nice little belly to him. Felt pretty good. I'm gonna go let him back in. Definitely a nice little fish. There we go. Well, thank you for watching Crooked Hooking. I hope you guys had a fun time. It's a brand new lake, like I said. There's a lot of hydrilla. There's a lot of different nicks and crannies and different coves and stuff that you have to try to weave in and out of. So it's definitely a new experience for me. I was able to get on at least a couple of fish and lost a nice snakehead. A nice snakehead. So if you guys did like this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like, and then also leave a comment below. I love replying to all my viewers. So otherwise, I will see you guys on the next adventure.